Welcome to Minnie Mosty Cartoons!
Quack, quack, little duck, swimming in the pond. Yellow duck is smiling, come and sing along. Red duck, splashing in the sun. Clap your hands together, let's have fun, fun, fun. Green duck, blue duck, green duck, dancing round and round. Jump a little bit, pink duck, waving hello to you. Shake your hands softly, 1 and 2 and 2. Orange duck, shining bright today. Turn around slowly, hip, hip, hooray. All the colorful ducks, swimming side by side. Happy little ducklings on a fun pond ride. Quack, quack, everyone, smile big and wide. Colorful ducks are here, stay right by my side. Quack, quack, little duck, time to say goodbye. See you very soon now, wave your hand and fly.